guys, so I'm in Japan. I live outside of Misawa Air Force Base, and I met a master sergeant who's retiring from the military, and he's heading back to the States. Okay, 22 years in the Air Force, over, it's done. And here's the thing. That should be something you celebrate, but it's also kind of scary, right? Because now he's going to lose his check. He loses his actual military check, and he gets a retirement check, which is about 30% of what you're used to taking home. Trust me, I know. I'm also retired from the military. Okay? Now, until this morning, he had no idea what he was going to do. No clue what he was going to do to supplement that income. His game plan for this was literally, I'll get a job, I guess. And we joked around about Home Depot and working there because I would love to work at Home Depot. But if you are anything like him and you need to supplement your income, you need to replace your income, I'm going to tell you what he's doing here in a second. But first, I also want to ask you this before we go any further. Do you ever look at your bank account and see the withdrawal after withdrawal after withdrawal coming out of it, and then compare that to how many deposits are coming in? There's like one, maybe two a month. When you see that, you really have to realize that you have to go on offense. You can't just be on defense all the time and expect to get ahead in life. You have to go on offense, which means you have to be proactive with this. Think about that. You've got to go on offense. Like yesterday. Not enough people are doing it to grow an income online. So I want to tell you exactly what I would do if I was in that master sergeant's place and what he's about to do. What I would do if I was retiring right now from the military and I knew my check was going down, or if I needed to supplement my income, I would do something very simple. It's disgustingly simple, actually. It's the reason why I keep waving this phone at you is because I'm going to use this to explain it. Here's the thing. People go online and they go shopping. I'm not talking about doing e-commerce, okay? If you've heard all about that, I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is when people go online and they look for products and services that they want to buy, right? So if someone went online and looked for this phone, they would buy it from me. Or they would at least buy it through a link that I sent them to. I would go to big companies, small companies, medium-sized companies, companies where there's a demand. And I would look to see, are people searching for these products? And if the answer came up yes, I would see, can I go ahead and be the one that they buy that through? When they go on Google or they go on Bing and they search it, and they search for this iPhone or this iPhone case, and they hit enter, I want my link to be there. So when they click on it, they go through an affiliate link, and I pick up the income for that. I get a commission from the company. And I would do that over, and I would do that over, and over, and over again. And it would take me a few weeks to set it up if I knew nothing, if I was starting out from the beginning. So if that sounds cool, if that's something you want to learn, then here's what I want you to do. I put together a short video. It's about 11 minutes. And it literally walks you through step by step how I would go to these major search engines. And when people are searching for products, I would be the one they bought it through. I literally walk you step by step how to do that. It's 100% how I would do it. Step 1, step 2, step 3. It's a 3-step process. We're going to find the product. We're going to go ahead and get the traffic. And we're going to be the ones they buy it from. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So if you want that and you want to actually change your life, and get in a better situation and turn things around a little bit, even if you've failed at trying to grow an income online before, even if you're new and you've never done it, but you see people doing it and you want to do it, with a real business model, helping customers find the products they're looking for and getting paid handsomely to do so. If that's something that you're interested in learning, then click on the button below this video, wherever it may be, wherever you're seeing this, and go watch a short 11-minute video that I made for you. And it's going to walk you through step by step how I do this and how my students are doing this. It is nutty, guys. The opportunity out there right now is very unique, and it doesn't take too many skills. There's like 3 skills that you need to do this, and I'm going to show you what they are. But it's pretty simple to learn. Let's get you changing your life, man. Guys, let's change your life. If you want to get out of your situation, if you want to better your life, do this. Go watch the video. It's 11 minutes and it's free. It costs you nothing. Just go watch it. Let's change your life. That Master Sergeant, he's doing the exact same thing right now. He's getting to change his life. Let's go change yours. All right, guys? So click on the button wherever you see it around here. Let's go check this out. All right, 11 minutes. The next 11 minutes you can spend it one of two ways. One, you can see step by step how I do that. Literally, step by step how I do it. Or you can surf around social or go do something else that is not going to change your life and or produce any income for you. Okay? So I'll see you guys over there. Go click on it. Go watch it. Again, it's free, right? 100% free. You can go watch it, and you're going to learn step by step how to do this. And it's 11 minutes. I don't know why I'm still talking. Go get it. I'll see you guys over there.